Hello, my name is Fernando de Zayas, and I'll be doing the code revision for Ilan1.4 in MetaTrader 4. To start, this is version 6 of the changes I have made. Version 2 was just optimizing some if placements such as here. For example, from 95 to 113, you can see that these are further inside and one less check of here as compared to here, where it is only skip, where if this one is false, it only skips this branch as compared to skipping both. From running it afterwards, there was no change, but it's still a bit cleaner afterwards anyway. Other than that, I focused on working with the logic in fgetLots to offset the logic for each case. I left case 0 alone because it was pretty straightforward, and regardless of how I multiplied it, it just went into negatives every single time. In case 1, where I modified the logic from Ilan1.2, that had the greatest results overall, I attempted to scale it up and scale it down, initially by 10% in both directions and then by 1% in both directions. The only one that gave a positive result was 1% going up, and that was still at a 3% total profit in comparison to running it without modification, which gave about a 22% profit. So overall, none of the modifications I made for case 1 turned out well. I just left them here in terms of remembering that I already tried those. Now, when I went with modifying it in the martingale logic, part of the time it's just going to be a direct copy of case 0. The rest of the time, when it goes here, I went with the original scale up and scale down. Regardless of how far I scaled up or down, the values didn't change, so it seems like for the vast majority of the time frame I'm testing it on, it always defaults to this case. T-lots goes directly to lots. There's no other reason why, if I change these values as much as I have, it still gets the same value as before I changed any of them. That's pretty much all that I was able to test that successfully worked, or that compiled at least. There was a version 7, but the changes in that one cascaded over the various errors I had to fix, and in the end it did not even compile, so that one was thrown out. And this has been the code review for code revision for Ilan1.4. Thank you for your time.